Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome to our space. So today, as the title says, I have a Target Bullseye Playground haul for you guys, and I have one other item from another store that you're really going to want to see. So make sure you stay to the end so you can see what I picked up. I'm so excited about. So let's jump into the Target haul, and my very first item from there actually didn't come from the Bullseye Playground. It's the reason I actually went to Target. It is these big storage containers. They were only $5. As you can see, they're clear and they come with a red or a green top. I ended up getting 6 of these. I needed storage containers that I could see through, and if you saw my Instagram story, you know my basement is a disaster, and so I wanted to put some of my crafting things like ribbon and little picks and stuff from Thanksgiving, fall kind of stuff, and Christmas stuff in them. So I used the green ones for the fall and of course the red tops for the Christmas stuff, so you could see in them, because even with labels, for me it's like I still need to know what all is in that bin, and I hate going through all of them looking for stuff. So those were $5, and my store still had a bunch of them if you're looking for them. They're 56 quarts. They had bigger ones, but those I can manage by myself, so I ended up picking up those. Then next I ended up going over to the Bullseye Playground, which I wasn't supposed to do, but I did anyway because I was like, you don't need anything, but hello, here we are. I ended up finding a bunch of these, and they were still in the Bullseye Playground, but in a different spot than where they normally would be, like over near where the kids stuff was. And they had a ton of these, and I don't know if I paid full price for them. You guys gotta let me know if you picked them up and if they are cheaper, but they're regularly $5, and I got 2 packs of these. I think I'm going to do a DIY with them soon, because I looked for them all through Christmas season and I could not find them anywhere. And then they also had a bunch of these. I saw everyone haul these, and I could not get my hands on this size. I have the bigger ones, but this size I couldn't get my hands on, and they had both of these and a ton of this one and a few of these, and those were $5 a piece too. And I need to really find my receipt, because I don't know if they were half off or discounted, because they're considered holiday merchandise. Like on these wood houses, they don't really say holiday, and I don't think the other ones did either. No, they don't say holiday, so I don't know if they were regular price or not. Then next I ended up getting one of these, and I know these are spring. This is a DIY, what's it say, wood decor? DIY word decor, actually it says, in their little houses. And I know I probably could make this myself, but it's like burned in, like with a wood burning tool, and I do have a wood burning tool, but I'm being lazy and I just bought it like this, and it was only $3, so I really did like this. Then next, in the same area, I ended up picking up stencils. They had 2 different kinds. They had this one with the pink background that comes with 2 brushes, and this one with the green background. And then on the back of these, I'm going to hold it over my face, hopefully it will focus on it. I don't know. I'll try to get a close-up of it too. It has what the stencils are. This is kind of geometric, kind of boho-like, and then this is more foliage and florals. It has like one that it looks like kind of like a wreath on it, and I thought these weren't too bad of a deal, and they were $3 a piece, plus you get 2 brushes, so I thought that was pretty good. Then I ended up, sorry, trying to put that down, picking up one of these tote bags. I don't know why. They were $3, and it's just a plain tote bag, and there's nothing on it. I was going to try my hand at doing maybe some iron-on with my Cricut, and maybe doing like a Lacey Space logo on it, and see how I could make it. I saw one at Hobby Lobby that was wider than this. That was like $5, and the ones at Dollar Tree are so small that have nothing on them. I thought this was a better size for $3, so I ended up getting one of those. Then, if you saw my last DIY, I had a heart-shaped chalkboard that had a key on it. That came from there also, and along with those boards they had these. It is like wood grain on one side, and then it's painted white over wood grain on the other side, and it's a reversible sign. and I thought this was really cool. I only purchased one of them. They're nice and thick. Dollar Tree always has round signs for $1, and this was $3, which isn't bad, but I already have a couple of the Dollar Tree round ones. Those are kind of hard to find, so I did purchase one of these, and I don't even know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I thought that was a fairly good deal, and they had a ton of them, so if I really wanted, I could go back and get a few more. And then I ended up picking up one of these. Oh, sorry, I had to reach to get it. It is this display shelf, and it was $5. Actually, I have it upside down. Sorry, I thought that was supposed to go on the top. It's a display shelf, and it was $5, and they show, like, in the picture there, like some little toys and stuff. On the back, it has the picture hanger hooks on each side. But I bought this, and I don't know if I'm going to put it on the wall. I don't think I want to. I think I just want to set it down. But I bought this to put my paints in, because it fits like the apple barrel paints, that size of a bottle, and you can put them all in like backwards, and you can see all of the paint colors with sticking out, and you don't have to like pick them up and search for them. I was going to stack them up on like a Spice Rack stack thing, but then I tend to knock them over like that. I kind of have some like that already, so I'm going to put them in here, and then I can just reach in and get the one that I want, and then put it right back and try to color coordinate it. So I'm going to see how many paints I have, and if I have more than that, then I guess I'll go back and get a second one, because they had quite a few of those as well. Then the next thing that I ended up picking up was, oops, I'm being loud, this 2-tier tray, and I absolutely love that it's bright red. If you guys are an oldie but goodie on my channel, you know I have like a cranberry red thing going on in my kitchen where I'm sitting right now. Most of the year, I like the fact that it's got the little heart on it for Valentine's Day, and it's not huge. I have huge like tier trays. I made that one out of some Tabasco baskets, and then I have several other ones. This one's nice and small, and I'm going to use it by my coffee station, so you can put like, I have cinnamon in a thing, I have some syrups that can sit on the top of this, and I have like the little individual coffee creamers and stuff, so I thought this would be really good. Plus, I can leave this out after, and the heart won't be that big of a thing up there, or if I didn't like it and I thought it's too much having a heart on there, I could put a bow on it and it would cover it right up, and it could still sit by my coffee station. So I thought this was really good. They also had it in white too, but I ended up getting the red. And then next I ended up picking up these. These are cake stands. My oldies, boogies, they know. I think I have an obsession with cake stands. I make cake stands, and I buy pretty cake stands, and I buy cake stands that I know I can use everywhere. And so I have a bunch of them. So this one has little hearts that go all the way around it, and it was $5, and it's a decent size, and it's metal. And then normally the cupcake stands that they have that are about this size, a little bit smaller on some of them, are $1, but this is a metal one too, and they're $3, and it also has little hearts around it. I only ended up getting one of each. Again, you can use these for so many different things, not just food, and I like that they're white, so they're very versatile. And then the next thing I picked up was this one like tulip like planter. I thought it was really pretty. They came in other colors. I don't remember what they were. I think there was like a blue and maybe a pink, and I just picked up the creamy white one. I have a lot of plants and succulents and stuff now that I'm trying to keep alive in my house through the winter season, and I thought this would be really pretty to put a succulent in for spring, so I picked up one of those. And then I picked up a bunch of florals. They had a bunch of florals that were like, to me, especially the Greenery floral stuff, much better than Dollar Tree. I love my Dollar Tree florals, and sometimes they have amazing ones, but I think they need a more of a variety on the Greenery. So they had this eucalyptus stems. I ended up getting 2 of everything that I'm going to show you in the stems. So this is eucalyptus, and yes, it was $3, but it looks so realistic, and it's nice and full. Like, I have to pull it apart here to show you how much is actually on it. So I ended up getting 2 of these. And then they also had these, which I do believe, it doesn't say, they just say Greenery pick. I think these are olive branch leaves. There's no olives on this, but it looks like olive branch leaves to me. If I'm wrong, just correct me in the comments down below, because I don't know all of my greenery, but I ended up getting 2 of those. And then I ended up getting 2 of these lamb's ear. I almost didn't get these because Hobby Lobby has, like, in my opinion, some of the best lamb's ear all the time. They start at $5.99 and go up to like $9.99. These were only $3, so I thought for smaller projects I'd go ahead and get 2 of these. But my ride or die is the Hobby Lobby lamb's ear. Then they also had this, and I ended up getting 2 of this. I don't know what this is. It's just greenery. It looks like a tree. That's what I'm going to call it, tree greenery. So if you know what that is, you can let me know too. But I ended up getting 2 of these. These are bright, bright green. And sometimes you just need that extra pop of color. At least that's what I'm telling myself. And then I ended up getting 2 of these. Now these look really super plasticky, but I like the little pink on it. And I found a trick of adding like some white paint or some darker green paint to the plasticky looking ones, and they look better. And these are super full too, like, and kind of heavy for what they are. Then they had little wreaths, and so I picked up like, I think 6 wreaths altogether. I picked up 2 of these, which is the same eucalyptus as the other thing. They had some really nice ones at Christmas time that I could not find anywhere, so when I found these, I picked them all up. I picked up this one, which is boxwood. I only ended up getting 1 of these because they only had 1. They have kind of the yellowy green, and again, it looks kind of plasticky. But depending on what you're using it for, if you add some color to it with spray paint or some chalk paint, it doesn't look as bad. And these were $3 as well. And then I ended up with the green tree one. I don't know what this is called. I already told you. I don't know what it's called. But anyway, I kind of liked it and stuff, and I was like, that's cute. We take Adrian, or we did before all of the mess in the world was going on, to the Renaissance Festival and stuff. And I always see kids with like the little halos, and I made her one. And I thought this would be good to add a whole bunch of flowers to, if nothing else, on that one. And she could have ribbons and stuff coming down on it, and she would love it. And then I got this one, which is like another soft, almost like lamb's ear-y. It's not lamb's ear. It might be in the same family, but I really like this wreath. And so I ended up getting 1 of these. I think maybe I ended up with 5 altogether wreaths instead of 6. I would like to get another one of these because I think they're so pretty. But $3 as well. So that's it on the Target. Excuse me, on the Target Bullseye Playground stuff that I ended up getting. I love the greenery. I love everything that I actually picked up. I think I did really well this time in not buying a lot of stuff that I know that I probably won't ever use. Sometimes I get excited in the store. But all of this I know I'm going to be using for different things. So now I bought 1 thing from Hobby Lobby, and I didn't even buy it. I went to Hobby Lobby. Not the one exactly near me, because somebody told me it was already sold out there. I went to go to a different one and it was sold out there. And Chad went to Hobby Lobby for me when he was out on his lunch break in Novi, Michigan. And he bought me this. This is a beaded wood bead wreath. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. Look how big it is. You know how I always put things up to my big old head? It's 2 feet, 24 inches, 2 feet in diameter. I'm like, hello, I can hula hoop with this thing. I'm in love with this. It was regularly $24.99, 40% off. Everybody's gonna want these. I am so glad that I got these. And so it was $15 for 1. I got 2 of them. He went and he found me 2 of them, and I cannot wait. I have so many ideas for these. One of my girlfriends, she saw it too, and she's the one that told me about it, and she got a couple of them, and so I'm going to make something for her out of one of hers, and I actually want to get more of these. I don't know. I think I might go online and see if they have them on their website, and if they have them on their website, I might buy a couple more. I cannot make this for $15. I just can't. The beads I already looked up. These are about 1-inch beads. If I buy them, it's going to cost me $12 for 100 of them right now. And then these have like a, I don't know, they're lighter. Like maybe they were dipped in a little white. I don't know. But I'd have to paint them then. And then the ring, the 24-inch ring to put on here, because I don't have any rings that big, is another $10. And so I'm like, okay, I'm already at $22 just to try to make it. I would have a few beads left over, but there's 67 beads on here. I counted. You know I counted. You guys know. I was like, can I make this? Can I make it by myself? And I was like, not for $15 I can't. So he picked me up 2 of these, and I'm so excited, and I might just see if I can get a couple more, because they're going to go fast. So that is it for this haul. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber already here. Comment down below what was your favorite thing in this haul that that's mine. It's not even from Target. It's from Hobby Lobby. That's mine. Target, I think I really like a lot of my greenery and stuff. But I am excited to see about having my paints in this. I hope it works out. I'll let you guys know. What's your favorite thing that I ended up getting in this haul? So that's it. I will catch you guys in my next haul video. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way it's spelled here. I've been trying to learn Instagram a whole lot better, so check me out over there. I'm showing you the mess that is my basement. I need help. Like, serious. It's a disaster. If you just want something to laugh about or make you feel better about what your basement looks like, you should go over there and watch my Instagram stories. Plus, I'm going to be showing this on Instagram in a minute, so let everybody know that you need to run and go get it, because they're going to sell out. They're selling out everywhere. Alright, that's it. Love you guys.